Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Patekar Alka Narayan from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue study of Mathematics Standard 8, Chapter 2, Parallel Lines and Transversal, Part 3. In last video, we saw a pairs of angles formed by transversal. Now, we are going to learn practice set 2.1 and properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Practice set 2.1. In figure, line L and line M and line N is the transversal. Angle formed by transversals are P, Q, R, S, W, X, Y and Z. Question number 1. In adjoining figure, each angle is made by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of figures. Solution. We know a pair of corresponding angles. Here is the angle P, which is the corresponding angle of angle P. Yes, W is the corresponding angle of angle P, which is the second pair of corresponding angle. The corresponding angle of angle Q is angle X. Third pair of corresponding angle. Here, angle given is angle R. You observe the figure and find the corresponding angle of angle R. Yes, angle Y is the corresponding angle of angle R. Observe in the figure which is the corresponding angle of angle S. Z is the corresponding angle of angle S. We have to write a interior alternate angles. We know the interior alternate angles are formed the angles which are inside the given line and opposite side of transversal. So first pair of interior alternate angle is angle S and observe in figure which is the alternate angle of angle S. Angle X is the interior alternate angle of S. And in second pair which is the alternate angle of angle W. Correct. R is the interior angle of angle W. Question number 2. Here intersect line N is given and the two lines are line L and line M. Angle formed by transversals are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These 8 angles are formed by transversal on a given line. So question number 2 is observe the angles shown by in the figure and write the following pair of angles. First pair interior alternate angle, second corresponding angles, third interior angles. Solution. Observe the figure. First we have to write interior alternate angles. Which is the interior angle of angle C? Observe the figure. Here angle C is given. Correct. Angle E is the interior alternate angle of angle C. Second angle given is B. You see in the figure here angle B is given. Which is the alternate angle of angle B? Correct. H is the alternate angle of angle B. Now corresponding angles. Here pair of corresponding angle is given. First angle given is angle A. You observe the figure. Here angle A is given. Which is the corresponding angle of angle A? Yes, angle E is the corresponding angle of angle A. Second pair, angle B is given. Which is the corresponding angle of B? See in the figure. Correct. Angle F is the corresponding angle of angle B. Third angle given, angle C, which is the corresponding angle of angle C. Yes, angle G is the corresponding angle of angle C. You see in figure here angle D is given, which is the corresponding angle of angle D. Correct. H is the corresponding angle of angle D. Then we have to write interior angles. You observe in the figure, first angle is given is a angle B. You observe figure, which is the interior angle of angle B. Correct. Angle E is the interior angle of angle B. Second angle given is a angle C. Observe the figure, which is the interior angle of angle C. Yes, angle H is the interior angle of angle C. Now we have to learn properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and transversal. In the figure, line L parallel to line M. In the figure, line L parallel to line M and line N is the transversal. Here, 8 angles are formed as shown in the diagram. First property given is 4 pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Here in figure, line L parallel to line M and line N is the transversal. Angle formed by transversal are 4 pairs of corresponding angles formed are angle B congruent to angle F. This is the first pair of corresponding angle. If the given lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. So, angle B congruent to angle F, angle C congruent to angle G, third pair, angle H congruent to angle D, and fourth pair, angle E congruent to angle A. These are the 4 pairs of corresponding angle. These corresponding angles are formed by two parallel lines and the transversal. If the two lines are parallel, then the 4 pairs of corresponding angles formed are congruent. This is the first property. Second property, two pairs of interior angle formed are supplementary. We know the definition of supplementary angle. The angle in which the addition of the two angle is 180, then these angles are called the supplementary angles. Here in figure, line two parallel lines and transversal is given and angles formed by transversal are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, which are the two pairs of interior angles. The interior angles formed are same side of the transversal and inside the given two parallel lines. Here angle F and angle C are the interior angles. So angle C and angle F are the supplementary angle, means measure of angle C plus measure of angle F is equal to 180. Then second pair of interior angle is angle E plus angle D is equal to 180. Third property, two parallel lines are line L and line M and line N is the transversal. Angles made by transversal are given angle A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Third property is two pairs of interior alternate angles formed are congruent. You observe the figure, which are the two pairs of interior alternate angles. Here angle C and angle E is a one pair of interior alternate angle. These two angles are congruent. And another pair is angle D and angle F. These two angles are congruent. So, angle C congruent to angle E and angle D congruent to angle F. Then next property, two pairs of exterior alternate angles are formed are congruent. Which are the two pairs of exterior alternate angle? You observe the figure. Which are the two exterior alternate angles? Angle A and angle G is the one pair of exterior alternate angle. And next alternate angle is angle B and angle H. This is the second pair of alternate angle. So two pairs of exterior alternate angles are angle A congruent to angle. Two pairs of exterior alternate angles are angle A congruent to angle G and angle B congruent to angle H. If you like this video, then share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.